Hello everybody, today we have a special guest called Elena! Hello! And she's gonna teach us her special dish, Spanish plantain. And remember, the plantains have to be black. Don't say ew, because this is very healthy. And remember to put it in an oven dish and put it in the oven for half an hour. And remember, this is to help you, and I invited her because this dish is very important for your body and it has a lot of nutrients. We're gonna put it in the oven and my mom is gonna turn it on. Next step is to put the ghee in the pan. Lena's gonna spread it with the hands. Yeah.
Oh no.
Hands. There we go. That was a lot of work. Okay. It's weird, I know. Did you ever try this? No. You should. So, next step, we're gonna do the onions. I'm gonna get my friend a paper towel. Thank you. You're welcome. And now let's work the magic, Elena. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, the onions are cut. Let's put some in. I just want to eat it. Even if you don't like the onion is very good for you, and it takes everything out like this. Shoo shoo. Okay, now we're gonna cut the pepper. Ugh, so many seeds. This has a lot of seeds. Yeah, I'm gonna count them. 1, 2. I think I got some onion in my eyes. I'm getting emotional. I don't know why.
I think it's ready.
No, wait. Put some seeds. Let's put the seeds here. Now,
Let's rip it off.
oh, look at this beautiful onion. It's time to cut this up. Now, let's do like this and follow the leader.
And you don't want to cut your finger off.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Is this fun?
We just finished cutting the pepper. And
She's the pepper.
And we're gonna put it inside with the onion.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, Jasmine.
Jasmine, can you pass me the salt here?
Yeah, here. Thank you. I'll do this. First, gotta deal with this. Let's sazon it.
Tienen que agarrar un poquito y no tanto. I think that's a little bit too much. Okay, because my dear friend salt.
Do this. I think I overdid it.
If you look at it, it looks like apple and strawberries.
Yeah.
Apple and strawberries. Okay, so we're done. Let's put the top.
And we're gonna show the truth. gonna take care of the fire. So see ya! While the onions and the peppers are getting cooked, we're gonna do a drama scene. My dragon is trying to eat my food. I see. You are a puppy too. That is nowhere but 5 minutes. My horse. We can hear the onions sizzling, so we're gonna mix. Remember to be supervised. Right?
It smells so
I
good.
feel like I'm in the dungeon doing my thing.
I feel I'm in my sofa next to the fire.
Yeah. We're gonna wait until the onion turns transparent. The plantains are ready, so we're gonna get them out. That burns. Now that the onions are ready, we're going to put the meat inside. This is how it needs to look like. Remember, it has to be organic. Remember, get everything out.
I know, that's what I'm trying.
Oh, this is a lot.
A little bit too much.
My mom uses her hands
To do it. Let's mix this up.
You could use your hands if it's not that hot. Now that everything is mixed, we're gonna put it back in the fire.
The top is, where does the top go?
Oh, there. Oh, let's go. Put it back. See you later. So the meat is ready. Voila.
Oh, look at that. You need to smell this. Smell it.
This is something from Venezuela, and if you are from there, I'm glad you are. And this is the best food ever. We're gonna serve dinner for 4 people.
Okay.
I think that's enough for one person.
Voila.
And remember to subscribe! Let's... ¡Ah! ¡Elena! ¡Por el mundo que...